Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to convert Excel to Smartsheet. This is a great tool if you're looking to move your data from Excel to Smartsheet, or if you just want to try out Smartsheet and see how it works. I know that many of you are Excel users, and you're probably wondering why you would want to switch to Smartsheet. Well, Smartsheet is a much more powerful and collaborative tool than Excel. It's also easier to use, and it has a lot of features that Excel doesn't have. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Excel data to Smartsheet using the Smartsheet connector for Excel. This add-on is available for free to all Smartsheet users. Step 1. Install the Smartsheet connector for Excel. The first step is to install the Smartsheet connector for Excel. You can do this by going to the Smartsheet website and downloading the connector. Once you've downloaded the connector, install it on your computer. Step 2. Open Excel and your spreadsheet. Once you've installed the Smartsheet connector for Excel, open Excel and your spreadsheet. Step 3. Click on the Smartsheet connector for Excel button. Once you've opened Excel and your spreadsheet, click on the Smartsheet connector for Excel button. This button will be located on the Home tab of the ribbon. Step 4. Sign in to Smartsheet. When you click on the Smartsheet connector for Excel button, you'll be prompted to sign in to Smartsheet. If you don't have a Smartsheet account, you can create one for free. Step 5. Select the data you want to convert. Once you've signed in to Smartsheet, you'll need to select the data you want to convert. You can do this by selecting the cells that you want to convert. Step 6. Click on the Convert to Smartsheet button. Once you've selected the data you want to convert, click on the Convert to Smartsheet button. This button will be located on the Smartsheet connector for Excel ribbon. Step 7. Review your data. Once you've clicked on the Convert to Smartsheet button, your data will be converted to Smartsheet. You can review your data to make sure that everything has been converted correctly. Step 8. Save your Smartsheet. Once you've reviewed your data, you can save your Smartsheet. Additional tips. You can also convert your Excel data to Smartsheet by using the Smartsheet API. You can also convert your Excel data to Smartsheet by using the Smartsheet web app. If you have any questions about how to convert Excel to Smartsheet, please leave a comment below. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.